Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ProofHub for project collaboration, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the ProofHub website using your preferred web browser. Locate the sign up or get started button, typically found on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with a registration form. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Ensure your password meets the required complexity for security purposes. Next, select your preferred plan based on your project needs. Review the features of each plan to choose the most suitable one. Once you've made your selection, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email to confirm your address. Check your inbox and click on the verification link provided in the email. After verifying your email, return to the ProofHub website. Log into your newly created account using the credentials you just set up. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. To begin a new project, navigate to the Projects tab in the menu. Click on the New Project button to initiate the project setup process. Enter the project title and any relevant details in the provided fields. You can also set deadlines and assign team members at this stage. Once you have entered all necessary information, click Create Project. Your new project is now ready for collaboration. Invite team members by navigating to the Team section. Add their email addresses and send invitations for them to join. Once team members accept their invitations, you can assign tasks and collaborate freely. Explore the features within ProofHub, including task management, discussions, and file sharing. Regularly check the dashboard for updates on task progress and project timelines. Utilize any additional resources or tutorials provided by ProofHub for further guidance. Congratulations, you are now fully registered and set up for project collaboration on ProofHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.